Hey everybody, we got a major announcement today. This is probably the most excited I've been ever since this company has started. We are going to be starting construction on a 25,000 square foot mixed use building in downtown Sewickley, right on Beaver Street. We've been working with the architect Bob Rokop down in Florida, in Des Moines. We've been working with Red Swing Civil Group. And then for the company that we're building it for, it's called Orbital Engineering, led by my main man, Bob Lewis, who I'm very thankful for. He's a great man and he's a resident of Sewickley too, and he wants to leave his legacy here. In addition to that, been really working hard with Brandon Otis, who's their CFO, and also the president of the company, Dylan Lewis. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody and the township of Sewickley, everybody in Sewickley, and we're looking forward to being great neighbors throughout this belt. I'll give everybody a quick walkthrough of what we're doing. We'll show you guys some renderings and whatnot, kind of take it from there. So, front of the building, this is right at Beaver Street. This is gonna go right up to the sidewalk, which it's gonna align with all the other buildings, just going down Sewickley. And it's essentially gonna take up this entire property that you guys can see here. On some parts of the building, it's gonna go right up to the property line. Other sides, it's gonna be about a 5-foot setback from there. Where we're standing at right now is gonna be the lobby, partial lobby, and then also there's gonna be 2 new retail spaces. The tenants are to be determined. And then the second floor is gonna be the entire Orbital company. They're gonna move their operations there. And then up on the 3rd floor, we're gonna have 3 luxury condos that we're gonna be putting up for sale. And then they're gonna be able to be customized throughout this belt. So if you are looking for a condo, this is gonna be an unbelievable opportunity to live in the heart of Sewickley in one of the most gorgeous buildings I've ever seen. So reach out if you have any interest. As we go through, standing in retail right now, what makes this building so unique and what I loved about working with the architects is that on the lower level, there's gonna be a break in the space where there's gonna be a courtyard built in the middle of the property. So you're gonna be able to walk up, there's gonna be driveways and garages down there. You're gonna be able to walk up into this courtyard and into either Saffron's parking lot or along the building. So the garages are on their own separate, and then there's gonna be an elevator up to the condos. And then over here is gonna be its own separate space. And then you'll see the building connects on the main level or on the 2nd level, and then up on the 3rd floor, it'll be completely filled out too. And what also is really cool too is that there's depth. So this part of the building is basically gonna be flush with Beaver Street. And then when you look down here, where the driveways are gonna be, this is gonna sit 5-7 feet lower than up there. And so it's gonna add just this cool depth. So right now we're roughly right where the driveways are, the connection point up to the green area with the tree, and then the garage is right behind us. Our neighbors over here, they have been tremendous. Jim Redmond and the Mayor George. We've worked with them over the past year to work out an agreement so that we could utilize their property to be able to build the building. They also gave us access to being able to put a trailer on their property just until we get under roof. They've been unbelievable neighbors. And then my boy Lou Saffron, he's just been above and beyond, just great to us throughout the demolition phase. And also he said he's gonna work with us throughout this build to utilize some of his parking lot here and there, just so we can have a very safe and make it a lot easier for these construction workers to work. Let's go check out our beautiful job site trailer. For the next 9 months, we anticipate being in this building, 9 to 12 months, until we get our main building up, and then we're gonna move our operations inside there. Jared Eck is gonna be our project manager at L&L, and then he's also gonna be assisted by Ricardo, and this is gonna be his new home. He's moving in full time. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, beautiful. It's a beautiful little space, and it has everything we need. We got HVAC, we got a big table for our blueprints. There's, I think, 500 total pages, so a massive set of blueprints. And then what we do is we bring in our trades just to review each of the scope of work. And then it's also, this trailer is gonna be used to meet with the township inspector. His name is Joe Motznick. So he's gonna come in. We have a set of approved prints that he's gonna look at, and then also field verify that what we're planning on building on paper is what's happening in reality. So just a lot of checks and balances, which is good for everybody. Partnering with Triple Crown Electric on this project, and they're gonna be the ones running the power from the pole over to here for our temp power, and then they're gonna be doing the entire building as well. So it's a great little space. We're all set up. We should be breaking ground this upcoming Monday, and it's go time.